In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TradingView and customize the RSI indicator settings to better suit your trading needs. TradingView is a popular platform for traders to analyze financial markets, and understanding how to personalize your tools can be a game changer in your trading journey. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to tradingview.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account or create a new one if you haven't done that yet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chart section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a plethora of tools and features you can explore, but for now, let's focus on customizing your RSI or relative strength index settings. On your chart, look towards the top of the interface and find the indicators button, which is usually located in the toolbar across the top of the screen. Clicking on this will bring up a menu of various indicators available to you on TradingView. It's an impressive library to say the least, but for today's tutorial, we're specifically interested in the RSI. You might already have the RSI listed if it's a part of your go-to set. If not, you can find it by typing RSI into the search box. Once you've selected the RSI indicator, it should appear at the bottom of your chart. To edit the settings of this indicator, look for the gear or settings icon associated with the RSI chart. Clicking this will open up the settings window where you can modify the parameters to match your specific analysis strategy. Here you can adjust the length, the source, and customize the colors to make everything more visually coherent with your existing chart themes. After you've tweaked the RSI settings to your liking, there's not much left to do but save your adjustments. You can do this by simply clicking OK at the bottom of the settings window. It's a small step but an important one to ensure all your changes are applied effectively. That's it. With these steps, you've now customized your RSI indicator settings on TradingView to better align with your trading preferences. By taking control of these settings, you'll enhance your ability to respond quickly and effectively to market movements, giving you that extra edge in your trading. Remember, trading is as much about understanding the tools at your disposal as it is about understanding the markets themselves. So make the time to familiarize yourself with these settings. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to practice customizing different indicators and explore various tools TradingView has to offer. For more tips and tutorials, stay tuned and happy trading.